The purpose is to introduce an innovative ride-on scrubber dryer from Klinmak as the result of dedication and passion of experienced people, indeed veterans in the cleaning industry. The concept of I Love 65 is to enter the market as the perfect replacement of any traditional wall-behind scrubbing machine, offering a theoretical productivity up to 3,900 square meters per hour, 42,000 square feet per hour. Klinmak has developed this cost-effective scrubbing machine, improving performances, easy of use and faster cleaning, for a close cost as a walk behind. Let me emphasize at first the ergonomic design of the I Love 65, which allow a more comfortable and easy operation. Recovery tank of capacity of 80 liters, 20 gallon, and the fresh water tank of 70 liters, 18 gallons. Great accessibility of the batteries located under the recovery tanks. Two batteries, 140 ampere hours, C20, with the great advantage of the running up to 4 hours. The brush pad down pressure, infinitely adjustable from 0 up to 46 kilograms, performing a light, medium, heavy or stripping cleaning process, subject to appropriate brushes selection, virtually suitable for any environments, industrial, commercial or maintenance. The strategical positioning of the squeegee vac just behind the brushes leave just scrubber float clean and dry, avoiding the risk of slip and fall injuries. Quick no tools, squeegee vac brushes removal and replacement. The patented system by two toothed brushes allows for the installation of a single scrubbing motor 0.55 kilowatts. This system grants an appreciable reduction of the electrical consumption, increasing the efficiency in terms of performances and battery runtime. Environmental friendly feature: auto reduction on turnaround up to 50% of solution, ensuring the great advantage to reduce the operative cost and increase the drying performances. I Love engineered for safety. Auto speed reduction on turnaround to grant the maximum safety standard for any environments. The innovative design offers a tremendous advantage to reach and clean into corners and around edges, clean thick space and narrow aisles to minimize successive manual steps. Inlet water pipe is a standard equipment, manual filling fresh water and connected by universal attachment, and the discharge pipes. That's all for the time being. For any further information, just contact us. And thank you for your attention.